Hey, Mr. Sugar. Good morning. How'd Daddy meet the pepper? How'd Daddy meet the pepper? Yes, that is a good morning. Yes, it's a good morning. You got kisses for Daddy? Huh? You got kisses for Daddy? Woo, those Daddy's kisses. Yes, sir. Daddy got to. Daddy got to. Daddy got to. Yes, sir. Who's the sweetest little bird? Who's the sweetest little baby bird? Say, Daddy, I'll be in a much better mood after I have my baba juice. Yeah, just make me some baba juice. Daddy wants him. He's a sweet bird. Yes, sir. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say, this is how we tell if I'm hungry. Just touch on my cheek. That means I'm hungry, Daddy. Yes. Patty cake, big goose man. Patty cake, throw him in the pan. Throw him in the pan.